To get to your login page, you're just going to Google Thrive. Sometimes I throw Lavelle in there. It just kind of brings this login page to the top. So just click on that and you will log in at customer. Your username is DCO1972, but I'm not going to use that. I am going to use this account just to give you an example. Because I've got some credits in there for her. So this is what you're going to see. And when you first start, you just click on each one of those. So click on that, let that kind of go. You won't really notice much different. And then click on this other one. That will automatically put those codes at your checkout, your last checkout screen. So you'll want to make sure that to know you've done it properly, you see a 10% discount and a free shipping discount. And then the last video that I'm including for you is how to make sure the $50 bonus is applied to your account too. So that's that.